Welcome to Nation Innovation. In this project, we are going to learn about the 5-volt power supply without the use of transformer. Because transformer is a very bulky thing, so we have to avoid the use of transformer. So let's begin. The components required for the projects are: one is 100 microfarad 50 volt capacitor, and second is a PN junction diode, which is IN4007, and 2.2 microfarad 400 volt polystar film capacitor, and after that we have to use the 6.2 volt Zener diode. After that 470 kilo ohm resistor 1 watt, and I have to use the 100 ohm resistance and a 1k resistance, and one LED, and after that I have to use a one breadboard and some jumper wires for connecting and making the connections, and I have to use a one cable for giving the AC supply. One side I have to connect to the AC port, and another side I have to give the supply to the power supply. So let's begin the project. So this is a circuit diagram for the 5-volt power supply. From this port we have to give the input, AC input we will provide, and from this port we will get the DC output. So here we are using a 470 kilo ohm resistance, which is a 1 watt power, and here we are using 2.2 microfarad capacitor, which is a polyester capacitor, and here we are using 4 diodes IN4007, and here I am using 1000 microfarad 50 volt capacitor, and here I have to use the 100 ohm resistance, and this is a Zener diode, which is a 6.2 volt Zener diode, and here and in the series connection I have connected the 1k resistance with the one LED, and this is the port where we can connect the another DC appliances of 5 volt or 6.2 volt. So we start the project by making the connection on the PCB board. Now after making the connection according to the circuit diagram, we will connect the AC supply to the breadboard. And from this side I have to connect any of the load, such as I will connect the LED strip, so let's check the working of the circuit. I have connected the LED strip for the load of 5 volt, and so I have to connect this plug into the AC supply. So my circuit is working well. You can make the 5-volt power supply. It has a various advantages, such as it does not have a transformer. So thank you for watching this video and stay connected with us, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.